Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a lip scrub video for you all. So I've been seeing how well my other videos have been doing, like the lip gloss and the lip oils, so I was going to bring you my lip scrub tutorial today. I'm going to be making a chocolate lip scrub mask for you all today, so this is gonna be really fun. If you don't know, I am a small business owner. I sell lip glosses, and by the time you see this video, my lip scrub should be up on my website as well. My website is always linked in my description bar. You can go check that out. So it's 614, but it's spelled 6XIV. And then also make sure you hit up my Instagram too, so you guys still see this on the website. So I'll be teaching you how to make it today though. If you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I wanted to announce that I'm doing a giveaway in honor of reaching 100 subscribers. Well, actually I'm at like 135 I think, or 133. So in honor of reaching over 100 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway. So I will be giving away a lip scrub as well as a lip gloss and a lip oil of the winner's choice. So you can enter that down below in my in the comment section. So in order to enter this giveaway, what you need to do is make sure you're following me on my Instagram, as well as being subscribed to my YouTube channel and have your post notifications turned on. So what you're going to do is just make a comment in the comment section below, sharing your Instagram handle, so that way I can verify that you are following me, and make a screenshot of you being subscribed to my YouTube channel and having your post notifications turned on, and just send that in the DM onto my Instagram. Okay, just make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are following us on Instagram. Comment your Instagram handle below. That way we can verify that you are following, and make sure you send a screenshot of you being subscribed to our YouTube channel with your post notifications turned on as well. So good luck. And yeah, that's all I wanted to mention in the beginning of this video before it got started, was that I am doing the giveaway. Also, thank you guys so much for your love and support on my videos. That's how my channel is growing. You guys really have taken an interest in my lip gloss and lip oil videos, and I'm very appreciative of that. So yeah, and make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys. Sorry, mine has like cocoa powder everywhere. I tried pouring it inside the bowl before this video and it kind of made a mess, so that's why you see the cocoa powder residue. Okay guys, so don't judge me. My gloves are huge because I didn't have any, and then I asked my mom to borrow some, and hers are an extra large, which are way too big for my hands, but you gotta make it work with what you have. So oh wow.
And
This lip scrub is really good though because it helps to protect your skin against free radicals and reduce signs of aging. It also like enhances the elasticity, you know, of your skin, and it hydrates a whole lot, softens, clears and detoxifies your skin. It helps repair skin cells because of like antioxidants, and it's also a very gentle texture for exfoliating from cocoa powder. The honey is like a natural humectant, so that means like it attracts moisture to your skin. So let me get a close-up of this. So this is what it's looking like. The consistency is pretty thick. Brown sugar has like a natural glycolic acid in it, so that helps to fight against bacteria, and it helps support cell turnover, so it's really good, you know, to keep your lips or skin looking nice and fresh. Because you can also use this as like a skin exfoliator as well. Like it doesn't specifically have to be for your, you know, your lips. Also the vanilla extract is an anti-inflammatory, so it helps soothe and calm the skin. So that's really going to help in like healing, as well as the honey. So like while the cocoa powder and the brown sugar is doing all the exfoliating, the coconut oil, the honey, and the vanilla extract is really going to give back to the skin, as well as help too, and protect your lips from like natural sun damage and all those kinds of things. So it's a really good mask. Okay, so I realized I didn't do a proper outro to the video either, so I just want to thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to enter into the giveaway. The rules are in the beginning. Also, I'll put the rules down below in the description, just in case anybody forgets or what needs a reference or whatever the case is. I'll probably do a pinned comment actually, but yeah, thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like this video if you want more content like this, and follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.